So, I was just examining every plant in my garden as gardeners are apt to do, and I noticed that there are a bunch of black ants on top of some of these baby apple trees. And upon closer inspection, I see that they're tending to a bunch of aphids that are feeding off of the apple tree on top. So the aphids basically they'll suck sap from your plants by damaging the plant, and then the plant will send sap to the aphids, and they'll suck that sap. They'll also release some kind of honeydew or something that looks like black soot if left unattended. But the ants come by and drink that stuff up, so that actually causes less damage to your plants. But the ants do not kill the aphids. They actually will even move the aphids to other plants so that they'll get a constant source of these aphids' honeydew. And they'll even take care of aphids inside their ant colonies. But I'll let nature do its thing, you know. Ants are beneficial. Aphids are also beneficial, but gardeners don't like them. In any case, I'll just leave this alone and let the ants do their thing.